I've made 100 email mistakes. With my interview with Ferris, he was essentially beating me over the head, teaching me all the mistakes I made. And these are the top mistakes. Number one, asking someone to pick their brain or ask them to coffee. Never do that. Again, those are things I did all the time. Number two is having a long email that takes more than a minute for them to read. Because the truth is, they won't read it. They'll open it, see, they don't know the person sending it, they don't have the time to read the message, boom, it's archived. Number three, and this is the most important, never write things with presumption saying, this will be perfect for you, or you'll love this. Because, like I've done, it assumes that you know who they are, and the truth is, you've never met them before. If I was writing a cold email to Jeff Bezos, something I would write would come exactly from something Tim Ferriss taught me in my interview with him. And it's Tim Ferriss's cold email template. And it goes like this. Dear Mr. Bezos, I know you're incredibly busy and you get a lot of emails, so this will only take 60 seconds to read. The next paragraph is where you tell very specific context of who you are. And it's 1 to 2 sentences max. The next paragraph is where you ask your very specific question. So maybe for Jeff Bezos, it could be, what's the one book you would recommend to a young entrepreneur? Something that he doesn't have to think about and he can just blast back an answer. And the last paragraph is the most important. It's the clincher. You go, I totally understand if you're too busy to respond. Even a 1 or 2 line will completely make my day. All the best, Alex. And it's that final line that shows that you're not entitled, you're not expecting anything from them, but that you really admire them, and their response will mean so much to you.